So today I wanted to show a pretty low-tech use of 3D. We're gonna go all the way back to PowerPoint, but we're actually working with some brands now who do presentations of their latest line via PowerPoint. And so what we've done is set an optimization preset to reduce the file so it's optimized for PowerPoint, and you can actually use 3D in turntable fashion, rotate it around in your presentation to show people your designs.
All right, so here I am on the platform. I click Add Product. I'm going to take this awesome jacket from one of our freelance designers and drop it in. Select my browseware pipeline. And here I've got a preset that I've already created for PowerPoint, which is just a collection of settings that I'll need for to optimize for PowerPoint. I'll name it. And click Create. A couple of minutes later, I can see that the model's done and has been optimized. Looks good here, so I'm going to come down here and just download GLB. Then I'm going to jump over to a PowerPoint slide I created, find my download, drop it in. You'll get something like this in PowerPoint. Usually takes a second or two. And now I have my 3D model directly in PowerPoint. If I want, I can also click animations and set an animation for this, so that rather than rendering out a turntable in browseware or something like that, I can actually do it directly in PowerPoint. What's cool about this is you don't actually lose any quality like you might if you have to render out a video or a GIF, and it's super fast. So anyway, just a cool thing that some of our designers are doing. Wanted to share it. Thanks.